Hello, Steve Chrysler here from Bookkeeping Life. Today I want to talk about the things you need and what you don't need when starting your own home-based bookkeeping business. So, the things that you need is basically a little space to work in. This is my home office here. It's just a little 12 by 12 room, and it's got a little window. And but that's all you need. You don't need an outside office, and so you just need a little corner of your house. That's all you need to start, and just so you can do all of your work. There's different types of bookkeepers, different levels of bookkeepers. You can go out to clients' locations and work on their stuff there. I call that an on-site bookkeeper. And there's also remote type bookkeeping. That's what I do. I don't see my clients. I work entirely from here, or anywhere that I can work off a laptop with internet access from anywhere. But I usually am just working from here, from my home office. But you do not need an outside office, and if you choose to not go to on-site and work strictly remote, you can be that type of bookkeeper. So that's a big misconception or something that a lot of people don't know when they're just starting out. That you can choose the types of clients that you want, and that type of client can be just those that where you're just working remotely. Because nowadays you can just tap in with QuickBooks Online and to the client's books. You don't have to go to their location like in the old days. So that's one thing, that you can work from home remotely. You don't have to see your clients if you don't want to. It's a choice that you can make in the types of clients that you select, and that you go after, advertise for, and market. Then another thing that you need is you're going to need a computer. You can be a laptop or a desktop, and you need internet access. You have those two things. That's really all you need, and most people already have those. If you're watching this, you probably have that. So you, believe it or not, you already have the tools to get started. You don't need anything else. The QuickBooks Online for accountants is free. That software is free, and I teach you how to get all that in other videos and my programs. But just starting out, you don't have to go out and buy a bunch of stuff. You probably already have everything you need to actually get started, or to take that first step. So this leads to the third thing that you need. So the first two, let's recap, are that you just knowing that you can choose the types of clients that you want. You can work remotely from your home office, or you can be an on-site bookkeeper. It's your choice. You need a computer and internet access. Now, what else do you need? Determination. You have to have the determination to make it happen. You got to have determination to take that first step, determination to learn as you go, and I'll talk about that in a second, and determination to not quit when you hit challenges, to just keep fighting through them. It's way better than working for an employer and dealing with all the challenges that come with being an employee. So no matter what you do in life, there's going to be challenges. It's better to have them on your own terms than somebody else's terms. That's what I believe. I've been doing bookkeeping taxes for 20 years. I've been on my own for the last 17. So I've definitely seen a lot of things change over the years. I've had my challenges, and I just keep pushing through, and it's an excellent, excellent way to go about life, because it's on your terms. I'm doing all this on my terms, not dictated by somebody else. So you bring the home office and understanding that you can get the types of clients that you want. You bring a computer and internet access, and you bring the determination, and you're set. You're ready to take that first step. What you don't need is, believe it or not, you do not need bookkeeping or QuickBooks experience. You can learn that as you go. I have other videos that talk about just-in-time learning, and then I have a program that you can take too, if you wish, where I teach you everything that you need to know to get rolling. But everything else you can learn as you go. You can start with your own books, do your own bookkeeping for yourself, like for your home, your own home finances. You probably have a friend that has started their business. You can do their bookkeeping. Just start small. Start with one client get familiar with that, get comfortable with that before you get that second client. And then that's how I recommend people that don't already have bookkeeping and QuickBooks experience start, is they start with just one client and then another client as they get more comfortable and efficient with their time. So you do not need, people think that they need to know everything before they start. You really don't. You just need to know what it is you're going to need along the way. And you can learn that from me or from somebody else. So don't think you need to know everything before you start. That keeps us from starting anything. If that was a requirement before doing stuff, we would never do anything. So now it leads to what it is you're going to need down the line, and kind of what to plan for. So when you finally make the determination that you're going to do this, you're going to need branding. You're going to need to know how to brand. You're going to need to know how to advertise. You're going to need to know how to talk to potential clients, how to talk to people that call or email you and ask about your services, how to talk to them, what you need to ask, the questions you need to ask them, the information you need to gather from them, determining what their needs are, and where you would start, how you would bill. I talk about all that in a program that I have. So if you're interested in that, you can check the information below. But you're going to need to know how to brand yourself really well professionally. And because I always preach, really, really good branding plus really, really good advertising equals clients. And then you need to also know how to talk to those clients, or potential clients. So those three pieces I do teach in a program. And you can email me at steve@bookkeepinglife.com or check the information below on that. I'll have it below. But that's really all you need to kind of know to get started and what you're going to need down the line. So you're going to need a home, just a place to work. It can even be a coffee shop. You can have a laptop with internet access working from a coffee shop. You can absolutely do that. That you can get your business up and running and working. Some people do that forever. That's just how the environment they like to work in, and that works. If it works for you, then it works, because all you need is a computer and internet access, because the software, like I said, is free. So bring that determination. Let me know if you want my help along the way. I help with all the branding, what makes a good business name. I help you get a really professional logo, the website. You're going to need all that stuff for your branding. And then once you have really, really good professional branding, then I teach you how to advertise for free. You do not have to pay for advertising. I never pay for advertising. So there's free ways out there to advertise, and you want to do that really professionally too. So really professional branding plus really professional advertising, you're going to get traffic. You're going to get clients. You're going to get calls. You're going to get emails asking about your services, and then you're going to need to know what to ask them, and I teach you that as well in my program. So anyways, you can check all that out below. But if this is helpful to you, don't overburden yourself with what you need to know and all the stuff you think you need to know before you start. You really don't. You already have everything, unless you're missing the determination. So if you have everything ready and you're ready to take that jump, get in contact with me and I can help you. And here at Bookkeeping Life, we have an awesome community of support. Every single question anybody ever has gets answered, whether it's bookkeeping or it's how to start and grow your own bookkeeping business. So like, share, subscribe if you like this video. And I can help you with every aspect of this or no aspects of it. I'm here to help, and at Bookkeeping Life we have programs to help you with a piece of this or a piece of that. If you just need a logo, if you just need a website, or if you want everything, you want my help, I have a video course, and we also have QuickBooks courses from QuickBooks Online, teaching you everything you need to know to kind of niche type of bookkeeping. So check all that out on the website, bookkeepinglife.com, and also the information below. All right, I hope you have a great day. If you have the determination, computer, and a place to work, you can become a virtual bookkeeper and start your own bookkeeping business. All right, hope you have a great day. Take care. Hi everyone. If you'd like to learn more, I have a free webinar where I teach you how to quickly set up your own home-based bookkeeping business so you can start earning that extra $1,000 a month or more. In that webinar, you'll learn my step-by-step formula to getting bookkeeping clients. You'll learn how to set up your new bookkeeping business from scratch so you have more control over your time and your life and many more freedoms that come with it. So if you'd like to sign up for that free webinar, just click the link in the description below and I'll see you there. Also hit the subscribe button.